Howdy, Nick. This is going to be your assignment for Thursday and Friday. So, for each day, I have a few problems for you to do. Each day is going to kind of look the same, be the same layout. So, for Thursday, what I'm going to want you to do is solve this fraction problem because we need to work on the division of fractions a little bit. So, we're going to do 3 and 1/2 divided by 3 and 5/6. So that's 3 and 1/2 divided by 3 and 5/6. Go ahead and write down that answer. You're going to write your answers and we will review them the week I get back. So next week. After you've done that problem, we're going to do 4 different order of operations problems. So remember PEMDAS and the order that each of the operations goes. We start with parentheses and with addition and subtraction. So the first problem is open parentheses 20 minus 3, close parentheses, times open parentheses 12 minus 5, close parentheses, plus 9 squared. Again, parentheses 20 minus 3, close parentheses, times open parentheses 12 minus 5, close parentheses, plus 9 to the power of 2. The next problem will be 13 plus 41 minus 4, all in parentheses. So that's open parentheses 13 plus 41 minus 4, close parentheses, divided by 5 minus 4 to the power of 2. So again, that we have open parenthesis 13 plus 41 minus 4, close parenthesis, divided by 5 minus 4 squared. The next problem is open parentheses 14 plus 43 minus 5 to the power of 2, close parentheses, divided by open parentheses -3 plus 5, close parentheses. So we've got 2 parentheses here. First one, so we open parenthesis 14 plus 43 minus 5 squared, close parentheses, divided by open parentheses -3 plus 5, close parenthesis. Then the last order of operation problem for today is going to be open parentheses 15 plus 8, close parentheses, times open parenthesis 14 plus 4, close parentheses, plus 3 squared. So again, in that first parentheses, we have 15 plus 8, and close the parentheses, times open parenthesis 14 plus 4, close parenthesis, plus 3 squared. All right, and so once you've done those problems, you can move on to the next problem, which is going to, I want you to find the mean, median, mode, and range of the following set of numbers. So I want you to find the mean, median, mode, and range of these numbers. We have 8, comma, 5, comma, 7, comma, 9, comma, 4, comma, 7, comma, and 9. So we have 4 numbers there: 8, 5, 7, 9, 4, 7, and 9. If you finish those and you have a couple of, if you have some more time in the end of class, I want you to think about these word problems. So the first word problem is Sally bought a soft drink for $2 and also 4 candy bars. She spent a total of $10. So how much did each candy bar cost? So go ahead and think about that one. If you finish that one, still have some time, then you can do this one. The sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 78. I'm sorry, I read that wrong. It's the sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 78. What is the smallest of the three numbers? So we have three numbers that are in a row, just like 3, 4, 5 are in a row. So three numbers that are in a row that add up to 78. What is the smallest number of them? So that is your work for Thursday. And if you can finish all that, then kudos to you. Don't forget to save your work so you can review the answers with me in case we need to go over anything. Friday is going to be the same thing. So if it's Thursday, then you can save this for tomorrow. But if it's Friday, this is where we're going to start. So our first problem is going to, again, be a division problem of fractions. So we have 3 and 5 over 7 divided by 3 and 1 over 5. So 3 and 5 over 7 divided by 3 and 1 over 5. That'll be your fraction problem for today. Then again, we'll have 4 order of operation problems like we did yesterday. So the first one is going to be 8 times, in parentheses, 7 times 10 minus 2 squared, close parentheses, minus 7. So go ahead and solve that problem. 8 times, in parentheses, 7 times 10 minus 2 squared, in parentheses and parentheses, minus 7. Problem number 2 is going to be open parentheses, 8 plus 33 minus 3 squared, close parentheses, divided by, open parentheses, negative 1 plus 3, close parenthesis. Problem number 3 is going to be open parentheses, 12 plus 14 minus 2, close parenthesis, divided by 4 plus 3 squared. So again, that one is open parentheses, 12 plus 14 minus 2, close parentheses, divided by 4 plus 3 squared. The last order of operation problem for today is going to be open parenthesis, 5 plus 2, close parentheses, squared. So the square goes after the parentheses, plus 14 minus 20 divided by 5. So we have 5 plus 2 in parentheses, and then whatever is inside that parentheses squared, plus 14 minus 20 divided by 5. After you've done your order of operation problems, we'll do another mean, median, mode, and range. This is definitely something you will see on the GED. So I have a set of 6 numbers, 9, 7, 3, 4, 8, and 5. So again, one more time, that's 9, 7, 3, 4, 8, 5. And I would like you to find the mean, median, mode, and range of those numbers. If you have done those problems and you feel good about your answers and you still have some time, I'd like you to do these word problems. So first word problem goes like this. On Monday, 397 students went on a trip to the zoo. All 8 buses were filled and 5 students had to travel in cars. How many students were in each bus? If you do that problem, then I'd like you to do this next problem. Keith bought 5 new baseball trading cards to add to his collection. The next day, his dog ate half of his collection. There are now only 46 cards left. How many cards did Keith start with? So go ahead and solve those problems. If you're having trouble, you can ask Megan, and if it needs to wait, just make a note of which problem you have, and we will go over it when I see you the following Thursday. So those are the problems that I have for you. Good luck with them. You can go back and forth throughout this YouTube video, pause it where you need to, and just good luck on these assignments. Thank you, Nick.